Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi SQ5 available. The car's got the full LED headlights with the LED daytime running lights and also the front headlight washer jets. Front and rear parking sensors. Moving around to the side of the vehicle, the car's got the 20-inch twin spoke star design alloy wheels along with the S brake calipers. Moving around to the rear of the vehicle, the car has the chrome surrounds on the windows and the privacy glass from the B pillar backwards, along with the dynamic indicator sweep and also the full power tailgate. Reverse camera and also the reverse parking sensors as mentioned earlier on in the video. This is an Audi user approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving around to the front of the vehicle, the car has the extended LED lighting interior pack, which includes the puddle lights that you may just be able to see on my hand. Full Bang & Olufsen upgraded sound system with the carbon inlays and the Alcantara suede on the inside of the door cards with the extended leather. Full fine Nappa leather with the S embossed logo, with the electronic four-way lumbar support, electronic slide and tilt. 3-spoke multifunctional S steering wheel, along with Audi's Virtual Cockpit, and also the extended display with the navigation maps. 3-zone dual climate control, and also the heated seats, and the electronic full panoramic sunroof. If you'd like any more information on this Audi SQ5, if you'd like to contact us at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.